before I say something that will destroy all the romance of sparkling wines.
Don't do it. Yeah.
Destroy it.
Well, to some people, they find it fascinating. Some people, they just say, Okay, here's the thing. I will not destroy it, okay? Here's the thing. By tasting these, what we call champagne-like wines made by the traditional method, right? These kind of sparkling wines. What are the major contributors to the taste and the flavor? Oh, he went directly to lees aging. Lees aging contributes a lot to it. Okay, what kind of flavors are you expecting by lees aging?
Biscuits,
by the
dough.
kind of biscuit.
Yeah.
This one is definitely a bit like fresh biscuit, doughy. Some people just say yeasty, bread. It's not that toasty yet, right? But it's definitely towards those kind of lightly baked pastry kind of zone, right? Those kind of feeling. But of course, there are terroir influence, like the acid, right? The acid is so bright, right? In this wine, it's still very high acid, right? What's the other major contributor to the wine?
The ripe fruit.
I agree. This, you can actually see the fruit is kind of, in general, riper than certain champagnes. But the ripe is not like, they say, California and those kind of white. You can just see that there's a bit more defined, there's kind of white peach, those kind of fruit-like flavors in the wine, right? Yeah, but it's a mild lemon, those kind of ripe lemon feeling, right? But yes, that's great, but there's something else that really contributes. Think about it. Does this wine taste like champagne? Similar to champagne, but it's kind of different, especially in terms of the smell, right?
Yeah.
Oh, don't even think about oak. Okay, we don't have enough time. I don't know since when people start to talk about oak in champagne. 99.9999999% of champagne, they do not have oak, first of all.
But this is 20%, right?
Yeah, but you mean this wine?
Yeah.
Oh, we're talking about a different thing. Okay. Even this wine has that oak is for old oak for preparation of the base wines.
Right.
Okay? That they want to see some of the so-called a bit of, let's say, oxidative effect or some other effect that made up some of the dried fruit characteristics, which actually in this wine is not that obvious, same as certain champagne. They say, oh, we use oak. Well, certain producer, you can definitely taste some of the oak. Not new oak, but that kind of mouthfeel, that kind of profile. But most champagne, even if they don't tell you they use oak, you would never say, oh, it's oak. Okay? It's not about the oak perception that we have for other types of wines, first of all. But good point, but that's not the major thing here. In general, what's the other major contributor to the flavor profile of these kind of sparkling wines?
The effervescence for me is very different from champagne.
But that's effervescence I cannot talk because I don't have the knowledge. It's so complicated.
The warm continental is a little riper.
No. Hey, Chila, you make sparkling. Tell me what's the other major thing?
Yeast?
No.